Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Invest with Fire. In this video, I want to talk about the incoming death cross for Bitcoin and should you be worried or not, because there's a lot of, fear porn out there on YouTube and clickbaity thumbnails talking about, the death cross, and it just sounds bad, right? And I even pulled up the Investopedia definition of it, and they define it as it's a technical chart pattern indicating the potential for a major sell-off. But this is not necessarily true for Bitcoin. And if you're not familiar with what a death cross is, it's when the short-term moving average crosses a long-term moving average. So in this case, I'm going to use the 50-day simple moving average and the 200-day moving average. So when the 50-day crosses the 200-day, that's considered a bearish indicator, and that's what's also known as a death cross. So I'm just going to pull up a real quick chart on this, and so you can see this is an example of the SPX 50-day moving average crossing over the 200-day moving average, and this is a bearish indicator defined by Investopedia. But we'll take a look at Bitcoin's charts right now, and as you can see, Bitcoin's trading at around $35,000 and has been trending downwards. And you can see this is the 50-day, this red line, and this is the 200-day for this green line. And we're going to have a cross. I mean, Bitcoin is not going to have a move upwards. It's going to have to go up really high in order for this 200-day moving average to move upwards. And it's just not going to happen, as you can see. So we're going to have a death cross, but should you be worried or not? And short answer, no, you really shouldn't be worried. Don't fall into this fear porn and all this clickbaity stuff on YouTube. We're going to take a look at the other previous death crosses. So you can see right here, we had the 50-day, right, crossing the 200-day moving average. But let me pull up an indicator. But yet we had a rally, right? We had a rally all the way. I mean, we had a rally about 68% when this happened. So, I mean, there's one indicator, or one pattern showing that death cross didn't really end up with a bearish pattern. We'll look up some more death crosses in the past, right? We have another one, right? We have this one where the price of Bitcoin also went upwards again, right? It shot way up, 37%. If we look at the wick of a candle, 27%. But the trend has been going downward in this instance back in 2019, right? So we have a couple instances where a death cross where the price of Bitcoin didn't go downwards, but the overall trend went downwards. Let's look at another death cross. So this one, again, the price of Bitcoin went back up, right? Went back up. It went up 44% when this cross happened, but yet the overall trend was downwards. So, we may have another instance where this happens, but we've also had instances where the overall trend went upwards. So, should you be really worried about Bitcoin crashing, or should you be even trading on this indicator just because we've seen after this cross happens, the price of Bitcoin goes upwards, right? And I would say no. This indicator is just one indicator, and this should just be used, sparingly, and you shouldn't be trading off one indicator. So that's it, really. I mean, don't trade into this fear porn of just people saying, calling for different things, just based on this thing that sounds really scary. So that's it, everyone. Short and sweet. If you like the content, please like it and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.